Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, and I'm Ramay Jaya. Today I would like to talk about the pronunciation problem that often happens among Indonesian English learner. The problem is the pronunciation of sh sound, which is usually written as sh in English. In English, sh is one of single sound. However, many Indonesian speakers pronounce it as two separate sounds, like s and h. This makes the pronunciation unclear and unnatural. For example, the wrong pronunciation is "si," but the correct pronunciation is "she." Another example is shopping, but the correct one is shopping. And also fish, but the correct one is fish. This problem happens because in Indonesian phonology, the sh sound is not treated as a strong independent phenomenon in daily speech. Many learners depend on spelling, so when they see sh, they pronounce it letter by letter instead of producing one smooth sound. This can affect understanding because words like "si" and "she" have very different meanings. If someone says "si" instead of "she," it may confuse the listeners. To improve this problem, learners should study IPA sound, especially the International Phonetic Alphabet. By learning IPA, students can understand that sh sound is different from s. Practicing minimal pairs like sheep versus sheep, reading the transcription dictionaries can improve our pronunciation accuracy. In conclusion, understanding IPA and practicing sound awareness can help Indonesian learners speak English more clearly and confidently. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.